Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video I am going to explain and I am going to show the old rejection mail now. And this is what the old rejection mail, you can see there, May 2, 2022. So I am going to explain everything about the fake mails, any comment and the fake comment, everything I am going to explain now. So watch the video till then, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe and visit our channel once. You will get a clear idea about our channel views and the channel job opportunity, internship and interview experience, everything I am explaining here. So don't skip it anything, so you will miss the clear explanation from a point of view. So why this much time they are taken about the interview result? When May 2 result has been declared for which batch? They have been declared for those who completed their exam in January and February. Their interview will be over at February and March, April, May they declared the result. Hardly it will take 2 months for them to declare the result. I will show the full live with date and timing when arrived. I am going to show now. Before I am explaining which batch they are sending the rejection mail, everything, that is second batch at last overall attend their interview. So now the candidate attend their interview in April, May, June. For them they didn't send any rejection mail or any selection mail. They are in the waiting process. So they will send quickly within 30 days. So don't bother about it. I will show the old mail which my candidate got. This is Wipro interview update, May 2, 2022, 1:47 p.m. You can see here completely about the live proof I am showing here. Any channel won't show like this. Why? Because of they are just cheating you. Just they will go here and they will read it up to this line only they will be show. But I will show the full mail of which timing, which date I am explaining here. May 2, 2022, May, June, now only July. Hardly it will take 50 days before you are attend the interview on April 27, March. So many dates are waiting. So think about our channel trusting and giving the truth words to the candidate, those who are watching fully. Why? Because I am providing this video. So many candidates ask me in the comment section about the interview result. I am just holding wait. How many times I can say wait? Because I have spoken with my senior, they told it will take hardly 30 days only, but this time they are taking this much time due to more hire in the on campus or first phase of hiring itself. So only they are doing like this. I will read out the things. We regret to inform that you have not been shortlisted in the business round. We are not able to take the candidate forward. Thank you for participating in the campus hiring. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Global campus hiring Wipro Limited. This is what they sent in May 2. So many fake videos are coming. They send selection mail, offer letter. Nothing sent by Wipro. If anything sent means surely I will make a video. Surely I know within a minute I will make a video and I will provide to you to get more update about the interview result or offer letter, how to accept everything. So it is all about to make the views in your channels and telegrams and Instagram, FB, to make a people curiosity or make the people something bad to them, thinking unwanted things necessary. That what others can do, but I won't do like this. Which is truth I will show. So only I just show May 2, 1:47 p.m. it arrived. For batches those who attend the interview in February and March. So April, May, June they didn't declare. June 27, so candidate attend the interview. I am having the questions within a few days. I am going to provide for those who are looking for interviews, reschedule, everything I am providing here. So you can watch our channel daily and continuously. Every video I am providing almost 5 to 6 about job, internship and interviews. You can share this video to your friend. If your friend is feeling insecure about these interviews, whether he failed or not, whether anyone sent rejection mail, selection mail due to watching fake videos, you can get a clear view about our channel and you can clear view about what I am speaking in the live proof which I am showing here. So no problem guys, share as much you can to your friends about spreading fake videos or fake things in channels. Leave it, watch the trust and the truth. It will be helpful for you in future. So thanks for watching. So this is a live proof. You can watch our video once or twice. It's not a problem. So this is the May 2, 2022. Once I am saying 1:47 the candidate arrived. This is what they sent. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Just to make a subscribe button and click like button, and if you have any doubt, comment me. I will surely reply your comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys.